plans to rebuild our relationship with Europe, tearing down the conservative trade barriers with a new customs union. Boosting trade and putting us back on the path to the single market. Conference, there is no serious strategy for restoring economic growth that doesn't involve rebuilding Britain's relationship with Europe. And beyond Europe, we have set out plans to form a new economic coalition of the willing to stand up to Trump's tariffs. Not only with our European neighbors, but Commonwealth allies like Canada and other like-minded nations across the globe. To take control of our own economic destiny instead of waiting anxiously for the next rambling Trump press conference.